Okay.
Again, you are host now.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Now, Anshul. Anshul. Are you seeing this slide? It's visible to you? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The slide is visible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you, Anshul. Where is? कहाँ चला गया ये? Okay, now here you Vaibhav Thakur 2790. Vaibhav? Vaibhav, are you listening me? No. Mukul? Mukul, are you listening me? Mukul? No. Nitin? 1924.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. You read this passage. The slide is visible to you now? It's visible?
No, ma'am.
Why?
Yes, ma'am.
It's visible now? Now
Yes.
read this passage.
Polythene shopping
And
bags
other
are
students, just wait. And other students, listen very carefully. Okay? आप लोगों को जो पब्लिश की है ये मैंने आप वहां से देख सकते हैं और ये यहाँ से रीड करेंगे. नितिन यहाँ से रीड करेगा. ओके नितिन?
polythene. Yes, ma'am. Polythene shopping bags and wrapped are the potential threats to the urban environment. Once you have a
Environment. Wrappers, polythene shopping bags and wrappers are a potential threat to urban environment. Okay? Okay, continue.
once you have discarded them after use, you do not lose your links with them. They return to you in a variety of ways through you do not realize it. For example, they choke your drains and provided the breeding facilities to the deadly germs.
Okay. Continue. आपने पूरा read करना है. Passage.
Yes, ma'am.
Firstly, you read it fully.
A recent study has shown that about 250 tons of plastic waste come out of various colonies of major cities alone every day. This disrupts the sewer system, the essential arteries of city life. These plastic waste choke the land masses and clog the pores of the wetlands.
Okay.
Ma'am, third I'm showing you.
Yes, yes.
Unfortunately, even the village and the small towns are not free from this danger. Millions of the people returning to their homes every day carry their shopping in colorful bags. These places their families and the children who, after preserving them for a time, dispose them in a well rivers, tanks, and the drains. Many throw them off into the fields. They do it
They
with
do
the
it.
sense of a pride to show off their neighbors.
When
See
their
that
neighbor.
their men for the cities regularly send them these good things of a life. They are impressed.
Okay. Next para.
In Delhi, The worst of offenders
Offender.
are the upper income groups of the so-called posh. Damage done by the plastic bags. Nearly 1 million children in a daily school carry
आप
their lunch box in a plastic bag.
Nathan, you
Yes,
slip
ma'am.
one line. Called posh colonies. Okay, who
Yes, ma'am.
educated the resident of these affluent area are unaware of the damage done by the plastic bag.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Now,
Nearly
nearly
a million children in a Delhi school carry their lunch boxes in a plastic bag. They carelessly throw them always and cause unhealthy environment.
okay. Okay.
As it's convenient for a month to the wrap the food,
As it is convenient.
convenient for the month
Mothers.
mothers to wrap the food in a plastic, it is difficult to persuade them against doing this. According to drill master of a school in RK Puram, it becomes a drill to clean the fields after the children leave. When the midday meal scheme is fully implemented, it must be it must be seen that no plastic wrappers are used,
Okay.
as these wrappers are light in a weight. They are borne aloft by the wind, causing visual shocks. Unlike cotton or a paper bags, they remain undissolved in mud and stop the rainwater seeping deep into the earth. The effect are nature, growth and greenery.
Okay. This affects the nature growth of greenery. Okay. Okay. Okay, Nathan. Now next, I hope you all understand. Other students, I hope you all understand the concept of this passage. Are you understand? Yes, say something. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
एक्टिव मोड में बैठा करो, एक्टिव मोड में, पैसिव नहीं, एक्टिव रहा करो. Okay, now next is Shivansh. Shivansh, are you listening me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you read it again because it is a passage. Firstly, you read this passage up 4 to 5 times. Okay, and understand each and every line with very carefully. Then after you do questions. तो ये इट्स अ मैंडेटरी, मतलब ये कंपल्सरी हो जाता है कि बच्चे को अगर एक अच्छा पैसेज करना, एक अच्छा इफेक्टिव पैसेज करना है, कर तो आप सभी देंगे, जो क्वेश्चंस मैंने यहाँ पर है उसको उठाएंगे, उससे जो सेम आंसर्स मिलता होगा, लाइन मिलती होगी, आप उठाएंगे और लिख देंगे, बट वो ग्रामेटिकली भी रॉन्ग हो जाता है और आपके सेंस वाइज भी वो रॉन्ग हो जाता है, और जबकि इसके पैसेज के मार्क्स फ्री मार्क्स होते हैं. आपको 7 to 10 मार्क्स का पैसेज आता है और ये इजीली यू कैन कैरी दिस मार्क्स वेरी इजीली इफ यू नो द रूल ऑफ हाउ टू अटेम्प्ट दिस पैसेज. तो फर्स्ट थिंग इज दिस, टू रीड द पैसेज very carefully and read up to 4 to 5 times. Okay, and you understand the concept also. I hope जब अभी नितिन ने पढ़ा तो you know the concept, आपने understand किया होगा concept.
Yes, ma'am.
किस चीज से रिलेटेड है? ये जो पैसेज है ये किस चीज से रिलेटेड है?
Environment.
Plastic bags.
Environment, plastic bags. Okay, clear? Okay, वैसे भी environment day भी आ रहा है. On which day we celebrate environment day? Anyone know? अगर ये आंसर भी नहीं आया ना तो मैं फोन में आके पिटाई कर दूंगी तुम्हारी. एनवायरमेंट डे कब सेलिब्रेट करते हैं हम?
5 June.
क्या
Ma'am,
एक
5
बच्चे को
June.
पता है?
5 June.
Yes. Okay. So this topic is also related to your environment. Okay. And the polythene bags. Okay. कि ये पॉलिथीन बैग्स कैसे हमारे एनवायरनमेंट को गंदा कर रहे हैं और हम कैसे इनको यूज करते हैं. This passage related to this. So again, yes, शिवा किसको बोला था मैंने अभी? किसका नाम लिया था?
Shivansh.
Who is that? Shivansh. Yes,
Shivansh.
Shivansh, beta, you read.
Yes.
I show you that slide and you read it again. Okay. And on this time, you other students take your pencil and underline the difficult words or difficult line. ठीक है? First time आप इसको ऐसे ही पढ़ते हैं सिंपल वे में. सेकेंड टाइम पे जब आप रीड कर रहे हैं तो आपने डिफिकल्ट जो लाइन है, डिफिकल्ट जो वर्ड है, उनको अंडरलाइन करना है साथ के साथ. ओके ओके. नाउ शिवांश, यू स्टार्ट.
Yes. Polythene shopping bags and wrappers are potential threat to urban environment. Once you have discarded them after use, you do not lose or link with them. They return to you in variety of ways through you do not realize it. For example, they choke your dreams and provide breeding facilities and deadly germs. A recent study has shown that about 250 tons of plastic waste come out of various colonies of major cities alone every day. This disturbs the sphere system, the essential artist of city life. These plastic waste choke the land mass and clog the ports of wetlands. Unfortunately, even village and small towns are not free from this danger. Millions of people returning to their homes every day carry their shop, carry their shoppings in colorful bags. This please their this please their family and children who, after preserving them for a time, dispose them in wells, rivers, tanks, and drains. Many throw them off into the fields. They do not with the sense of pride to show off with their neighborhoods. See that their men from the cities regularly send them these good things for life. They are impressed. In Delhi, the worst offenders are the upper income groups of the so-called posh colonies. Through educated, the resistance of these affluent areas are unaware of the damage done in plastic bags. Nearly a million children in Delhi school carry their lunchbox in plastic bags. They curiously throw them away and cause unhealthy environment. As it is a convent for mothers to write food in plastic, it is difficult to persuade them against doing this. According to drill master of school in R.K. Puram, in become drill cleans the fields after the children leave. When the midday meal scheme is fully implemented, it must be seen that there is no plastic wrappers are used, as these wrappers are light in weight. They are borne afoot by wind, causing visual shocks. Unlike cotton or paper bags, they remain undissolved in the mud and they stop the rainwater from slipping deep into earth, the affecting natural growth of greenery.
Okay, very good, Shivansh. Good reading. Very good.
Thank you.
Okay, you can. Okay, now Sneha Katoj. Sneha.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you read. You read this. It's visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you read.
Polythene shopping bags and wrappers are potential threat to urban environment. Once you have discards after use, you do not lose your link with them. They return to you in a variety of ways through you do not realize it. For example, they choke your drains and provide breeding facilities to deadly germs. A recent study has shown that about 250 tons of plastic waste come out of various colonies of major cities alone every day. This disputes the sewer system, the essential arteries of city life. These plastic waste choke the land mass and clog the pores of the wetlands. Unfortunately, even the villages and small towns are not free from this danger. Millions of people returning to their hometowns every day carry their shopping in colorful bags. These pleasures their family and children, who after preserving them for a time, disperse them in wells, rivers, tanks, and drains. Many throw them off into the fields. They do it with sense of pride to show off. When their neighbors see that their men from the cities regularly and send those good things of life they immersed. In Delhi,
Yeah.
the worst
Impressed.
impressed.
Okay. Good.
In Delhi, the worst offenders are the upper income groups of the so-called posh colonies. Through educated, the resistance of these effectual areas are unaware of the damage done by the plastic bags. Nearly 1 million of children in Delhi schools carry their lunch boxes in plastic bags. They carelessly throw Ma'am, please repeat again.
Callously.
Carelessly throw them away and cause unhealthy environment, as it is convenient for mothers to wrap the food in plastic. It is difficult to purchase them against doing this. According to the drill master, pursued them against doing this. According to the drill master of school in R.K. Poonam, it became a drill to clean the field after the children leave. When the midday meal scheme is fully implanted, it must be seen that no plastic wrappers are used.
When the midday meal scheme is fully implemented, it must be seen.
It must be seen that no
plastic wrappers are used.
As these wrappers are light in weight, they are blown aloft by the wind, causing the visual shocks. Unlike cotton or... Ma'am, please repeat.
Visual shock. Unlike cotton
or paper bags, they remain undissolved in the mud and stop the rainwater from seeping deep into the earth. This affects the natural growth of greenery.
Okay, very good, Sneha. Very good. Now, okay. I hope now you all understand the concept of this passage. Say Give me answer with showing your hand. अपना हैंड शो करके दे दो आंसर कि जिन बच्चों को ये समझ में आ गया है. To show me your hand. Okay. क्या बात है ये? बाकी अनमोल, अंशुल, आर्यन, बोथ आर्यन, कुणाल, रिंशुल, शिवान, सृजन, तन्वी, वैभव, वरुण, you don't understand? You don't understand? अंश, अंश बेटा आपको भी समझ में नहीं आया? इन लोगों ने तो वैसे भी कैमरा ऑफ रखा है. Okay. Okay, I hope now you all understand. देखो अब हमने ये रीड कर लिया 3 to 4 times. Okay? और आपको इसमें बहुत से कंसेप्ट क्लियर हो चुके होंगे. क्लियर? अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दिस कि हम जो है we will do the question answers. Now we will do the question answers. Okay? So firstly, you read the first question. Okay? Srijan, you read the first question, and that question is, you all write the question on your rough notebook. आप अपनी rough notebook में ये question लिख सकते हैं. Everyone write the question. Everyone. How do polythene bags become health hazard? How do polythene bags become health hazard? HAZARD.
मैम हेल्प हैजर बोला आपने?
हेल्थ, हेल्थ, HEALTH, हेल्थ हैजर्ड. मतलब कि पॉलिथीन बैग्स जो हैं वो हेल्थ के लिए दिक्कत या हेल्थ के लिए प्रॉब्लमैटिकली कैसे हैं? ओके, हैजर्ड मींस प्रॉब्लमैटिकली ऑब्स्टेकल और प्रॉब्लम्स किस तरह से हैं ये? हाउ डू पॉलिथीन बैग्स कम हेल्थ हैजर्ड्स? ओके, आप सबने ये आंसर लिख लिया? सॉरी, क्वेश्चन लिख लिया? Everyone has written this question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you find out the answer. अब आप इस पैसेज में इसका आंसर फाइंड आउट करो विदिन अ मिनट. आप 1 मिनट के अंदर इसका आंसर सोचो. आपने जब ये रीड किया तो ये किस पैरा में, क्योंकि यहाँ पे पैरा वाइज डिवाइड किया गया है ना पूरे पैसेज को, तो आप बताओ मेरे को ये किस पैरा में इसका आंसर मिलेगा और क्या आंसर है इसका? Now you write.
मैम इन फर्स्ट पैरा.
Okay beta, but firstly you write the answer within a 2 minutes, and then I call your name, then you give me the answer. Okay, I give you now 2 minutes. Within a 2 minutes you all are write the answer of this question with full sense के साथ बनाना है. Okay, do it. Very good, shabash. Done? How many student has done? Those students have done that, show me your hand. Okay, okay. Krish, Nitin, Arushi, Ruchika, Ansh, very good. Very good, very good. But आपने कैमरा ऑफ किया हुआ है अपना. Anshul also, Vanshika, good. यश, अनमोल. अनमोल जी आप भी जाग गए? ऐसा तो रिस्पॉन्स नहीं दे रहे थे. ओके अनमोल. 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 Anmol, are you listening me? No response. Okay. Now Tanvi. Registration number 138. Tanvi. Tanvi, my sound is audible to you? क्या फायदा बेटा अगर आप लोग ऐसे हाथ दिखा दोगे मेरे को और आंसर नहीं दोगे? हाँ? Yes, Vanshika.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you tell me the answer. जो आपने लिखा है, whatever you write.
Yes, ma'am. Polythene bag disrupt the sewer system. These plastic which choke the landmass. They choke drains and provide breeding facility to deadly germs, which can cause diseases and infection.
Okay, good. Now, and listen one thing more. Your answer depend on your marks. Okay? अगर आपका एक क्वेश्चन 1 मार्क्स का है तो आप 1 मार्क्स के रिलेटेड ही आंसर देना है. ओके? अगर आंसर आपका 2 मार्क्स का है देन यू एलैबोरेट आंसर. ओके? बट अगर 1 मार्क्स का आंसर है तो आपको जो आंसर है उसको इस तरह से लिखना है कि आपकी सेंस भी क्लियर हो और वो बहुत लेंथी भी ना हो. क्लियर? वेरी गुड Vanshika, your answer is right. Okay, good practice. Now you Krish. Now you Krish, tell me the answer of this question. Krish Sharma.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Because when people do shopping, it come in a variety of substance which we don't know about it, and it cause our environment.
एक्चुअली में बेटा आप क्वेश्चन पढ़ो ना. क्वेश्चन जो है दैट इज रिलेटेड टू योर हेल्थ हैजर्ड. ओके, कि हेल्थ के लिए क्या से पॉलिथीन बैग्स जो वो हेल्थ हैजर्ड्स कैसे हैं. ठीक है.
क्योंकि मैम जो मतलब जो लोग शॉपिंग करके आते हैं उनसे वैरायटी ऑफ मतलब कि प्लास्टिक हमारे घर में आता है और उनको यहाँ वहाँ थ्रो